Alright guys, welcome back to the shop today. Today we have on the lift a 2014, 16? I don't know, it's either a 14 or a 16 YZ85. The deal with this bike is the carburetor seems to be plugged up. So we're gonna pull the carb off real quick, go through the carburetor, give it a cleaning. If that sounds like fun and something you're interested in, stick around for the video. We'd really appreciate it if you smash that subscribe button, hit the like button if you like this video and this kind of content, and if you enjoy it, share it with your friends if you think they'd enjoy it as well. Alright, let's get to the video. Thanks. Alright, the first thing we're going to do here, guys, is we're going to pull the seat off. We're going to take these bolts out, loosen the bolt up here in the top by the shock, flip the subframe up, and then we'll be able to pull that carburetor right off. So just makes it a little bit quicker and easier, so let's get that done. Air filter looks like it could use a cleaning, but other than that, she's heavily well oiled. We've got a, looks like a 12 mil up top here. We're just gonna loosen that, loosen the boot on the carburetor here, yank it out. Sorry about the loud compressor noise in the background. Let's see if we can't get this carburetor pulling off here. Alright. Just gonna give the subframe a yank. Work the boot off the carburetor here. Pipe should just separate in our boot here. We can just flip that up like that. I love 2 strokes. We're gonna just pull our throttle cable and slide assembly right out. So this bike was running, and then all of a sudden it wasn't. So those are stripped out, man, whoever's been in this carburetor before. Need some new screws. Oh! This thing is completely loaded with stuff. Check this out. Can you guys see that in there? Right in there? There's a big chunk of dirt in there. Look in this bowl here. See a couple more chunks down there. There's 6 millimeter here for our main jet, which is a 138, and it is completely plugged. Yank our pilot jet out here, see what's in it. Ooh, she feels sticky. Oh, I can't see through that either. Go ahead, pull the float bowl, floating the needle out. What's under the secret lid on one of these? Does anybody know? So safety bits, so they obviously don't want you going in here, but fun is that? We gotta know what's under the secret hole. It's the gasket and some more gooey schmooey, really. So I'm gonna get all these parts cleaned up here. I'm gonna take out our air screw. Bunch of sand particles on there. So I'm gonna clean all this up here. The jets were plugged, so. Adjustment screw here. I think it's got sand all over that thing for some reason or another. Everything with the needle looks fine. It's not grooved or anything. Everything with the float looks pretty good. Just gonna wipe it off here. Alright, let's get this car back together. Got a thread locker here. got started in there. One more thread locker here. It's the tiniest dab on these. Remember, you're going into aluminum here, so you don't want to wrench on these too much there. Alright, we got that done. Let's get our float bowl gasket put back on here. Set that off. We're going to put our float back in now. Alright, we got that in there. We're going to put our pilot jet in. I see we have a bigger diffuser in here. So I better shoot some stuff through this. Our main jet. Snug that up. Not going to Loctite these just because they're already stripped out, so I don't need to give the next person that works on this any more trouble here. So we don't have these screws in stock right now. I don't believe. Snug them up. Put our air screw in here. We're going to set that to 1 turn out to start with here. Alright, let's go throw this back on the bike. Alright guys, got it all finished up. See if she's going to start here. Running pretty well. Happy with that. I'm gonna go take it for a ride, see how it feels. But I think this one's done. Alrighty everybody, I just got done taking the YZ85 for a spin. It seems to run well, everything seems good with it, so I think that's the last job for us today. If you enjoy this content, please hit that subscribe button. It helps us out a lot, it doesn't cost you a cent. We really appreciate it. If you enjoy this content and you think you have some friends that would enjoy it too, share it with them if you could. Hit that like button if you like the video. I think that's all I got for you guys today. Alright, see you in the next one.